Welcome to the Funeral Program Site Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, can I print my funeral program on cardstock paper? You can print any of our funeral templates on any weight paper you choose. Cardstock paper is a heavier weight and is called cardstock because it has the feel similar to the weight of a greeting card. If you choose to print it on the heavier weight, it can cause the paper fold to crack. Scoring the paper prior to folding is recommended for those who wish to print on cardstock paper. Scoring is the creation of a crease in a piece of paper that will allow it to fold easier and result in a better-looking line. This is achieved by creating a ridge in the paper with an indentation tool. The scoring minimizes any cracking on the folded edge and provides the best presentation. Alternatively, we do recommend a 32-pound paperweight, which is the thickest you can go without going cardstock. This paper can usually be found at your local paper supply store. If you have a question regarding printed memorials, please comment below. Thanks for watching another question and answer session brought to you by thefuneralprogramsite.com.